Okay, now question number 4 is a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So, a plane is flying at a height of 500 meter above the sea level. Now this is what sea level. Okay, now a plane is flying 500,000 meter above sea level. So this value will be positive. Okay. Now at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below. Now this is submarine, this is sea level, it is below, so this value will be in minus. Just remember that above sea level the value will be in plus and below the sea level it will be in minus. Now what you have to find, what is the vertical, not this distance, what is the vertical distance between them. You have to find the distance between these two. So you have to find the distance from here to here, means in between. What is the distance you have to find out. Okay, now from the question we will write these value. Height of the plane, this is 500 meter. I hope you all have understood why I have written this in positive. I have written this in positive value. Now depth of the submarine equals to minus 1200 meter because it is below the sea level, and this is in positive form because it is above the sea level. Okay, now we will find the vertical distance between plane and submarine. Now we are having the value of plane as well as submarine also, so we have to find the distance. Now look here, one value is here, other value is here. We have to find the distance between them. So what we will going to do, we will subtract this value from this value. When we are subtracting this from this, we will come to know the actual distance between them. Okay, now the distance of plane is this 5,000 meter minus sign. Now submarine value is minus 1200 meter. I hope you all understood this thing. As we are finding the distance between the two, that is why we are putting subtraction sign. And why we have put subtraction sign over here, I think already I have discussed, because it was below the sea level. Okay, now 5,000 meter minus minus will be plus 1200 meter. Now we will add both the values. 5,000 plus 1200, it will be 0026. So the answer will be 6,200 meter. Okay, so the vertical distance between plane and submarine is 6,200 meter. Thank you.